No, scrub. Come on. Get all the dirt off and we'll fill it properly.
What?
Scrub it all out and then we'll fill it up properly.
I need water.
You've got water. You've got lots of water. Come on, scrub it up.
Scrub it up. Oh, a papa.
Don't pull it. Just go around it. That's it. Scrub it up, Dub.
I need more.
Scrub it up, Dub. Did you get up around the yellow? Yeah. That's it.
Round.
Round and round and round. Scrub it up, Dub. Can you see the dirt?
Okay.
No, inside.
There's lots of it.
Now how about you do the top of the yellow one, where the pink joins it. Where the pink joins onto the yellow, just behind you, is really dirty.
Dirty here.
Is it? Well, you better scrub it.
What?
You better scrub it. What?
What's underneath?
Yeah? That's the whole point of a pool.